Now, here's meteorologist Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
All right, the dreary weather will continue for at least a couple of days. Let's get you right to live Pinpoint Doppler 12 and notice what we have. We actually have some lightning well offshore. Not expecting thunderstorms here. And the good news with this storm is that the most explosive part of the storm will remain offshore. We get scraped by some of the sides with the rain and wind. Speaking of rain, we already have some now across the southwestern part of Rhode Island. Also some rain filling into Bristol County, Massachusetts. We take you in even closer, and you can see in the westerly Charlestown Beach area and even up through Narragansett, Jamestown, and Newport, some showers now trying to develop. Now, as we take a look at what we're expecting into the afternoon, notice at 2 p.m. still some showers around. It does start to fill in as we go into the early part of the evening. So for the commute around 6 p.m., yeah, things could be a little slow at this point. Nothing impassable with some puddles on the roadways there. And then the time frame to see the most heavy of the rain would be later on tonight through tomorrow morning. You can see 4:30 tomorrow morning, some yellow showing up, indicating that we could have some downpours for the morning commute. So just be mindful of that, the potential of a little bit of street flooding for that, although I think most of the area escapes the worst of this. And then by 9 o'clock in the morning, still some lingering downpours and showers. We start to break things up a little bit into the afternoon, not as heavy, but still the showers off and on throughout Thursday afternoon. So what we can expect would be the heaviest of the rain again after 8 p.m. tonight into around 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. 1 to 3 inches of rain are possible. I'm thinking the heaviest of the rain would be out there in Bristol County, Massachusetts, where we do have that flood watch in effect, and then wind gusts of around 30 to 35 miles an hour throughout the duration of this event throughout tomorrow evening, and then by Friday starting to wind things down a little bit. You can see the gray skies over Narragansett Bay. Temperature is 54. Winds busy out of the northeast at 23 miles an hour. You can see the temperatures low to mid 50s. These won't move very much today at all. And wind speeds coming in out of the northeast. That's why we're not looking at a major coastal flooding threat around here. Notice how the winds are pushing the water primarily away from the shore. So that is good news for the south coast of Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts. Notice the storm trying to organize. There's that center of low pressure. Eventually it just parks itself offshore and gives us that rain and wind. Now, temperature-wise, we're not going to move very far today, and it's going to be pretty even across the board. So no big temperature difference by location today because the clouds and the rain kind of even out the temperature. So 56 in Burville. The same conditions will be seen across the south coast as well. And notice on our threat tracker tonight, moderate with the threat of some of that heavy rain. 7-day Futurecast showing that we have still some clouds and showers for Friday, but much lighter. Do want to point out on Sunday for the Patriots game, 1 p.m., the Bears will visit. 60 degrees, dry but breezy, so do expect some winds out there. So the sweatshirt, light jacket, not a bad thing to take with you.
Truly some fall-like weather.
Yes.
All right, Pete, thank you very much. Now here's a look at what we're working on for Eyewitness News beginning live at 5.